Good morning, one and all. It gives me great pleasure and privilege to be here on this occasion of MHRM online lecture. I, Dr. Dheeraj Oval, HOD of Commerce Department, would like to welcome all my TY become student participant for MHRM online lecture. Today we are going to discuss about the second model, marketing decision part 1, product and price. And today we are going to discuss about branding concept and components. Before that one, I would like to tell you what is the exactly difference between the product and brand. I would like to quote the some of the example. If you are purchasing Weeps bread, that comes under the brand. If you are going to purchase the pav, normally we have purchasing pav just like in Indian food, vada pav, misal pav, that's pav which comes under the product. If you are going to purchase Lexi ball pen, cello ball pen, the 5 rupees ball pen, that's the price of the Lexi and cello ball pen, that comes under the brand. If you are going to purchase 2 or 3 rupees ball pen using for the same purpose for writing, that is called as a product. Then what are the difference between the brand and the product? Therefore I would like to give the definition of the branding. Look at the here. Brand means a name, term, sign, and symbol, color, shapes, etc., which are given to the product and which is a register under the Trade and Mercantile Act for the legal protection, and that is a indicate no one can copy your product. That is a brand. This is the concept about the branding. In a simple we can say the brand means you have to give the name, sign, turn, symbol, and that is also registered under the Trade and Mercantile Act. Therefore you can get the legal protection. No one can easily copy your brand. Now let us go for the components. What kinds of the components we have seen under the branding? Now we can see one by one here. Now look at the here the components of the branding. The first one is a branding personality. Whatever the brand we have, the personality we are going to see that on what kind of the unique personality we have that. Then brand function. What are the functions we have seen under the brand? Brand benefits. If anybody going to purchase the brand, how can they get the benefits also? The brand association, we have seen who are the associate with the brand, what are the elements associated with the brand. Now let us go for the fifth one, brand image. Let us think about the image, the reputation or brand in the mind of the customer. Then brand name, what is the name of the brand? We are going to see what are the elements about the brand's name. Then brand logo, look at the design, size, shape, color, what kind of the logo we are going to see under here. Then brand features and design, what are we have a brand, what are the features and design we are going to see here. And the brand packaging, what are the brand packaging, the coloring packaging, environmental safety or not, it's decomposable or not. Then we are going to see also a packaging, it's we can say it's a protect the product as well as gives the advertisement, provide the attract the attention of the audience. Now these are the several components. Now we are going to see each and every in the details. Let us go for the first one, branding personality. Now look at the branding personality. Every brand has a personality. Marketers should try to expose personality in front of the customer. Whatever you have a brand, you have tried to expose, you have to try to show the personality of our brand in front of the customer to attract the attention. The for example, we have witnessed the Taj Mahal hotel in Mumbai, and we know very well about the 99% those who are the business class people, those who are the rich status of the people, they like to visit the Taj Mahal hotel. Now look at the picture here, the Taj Mahal hotel. This is one of the iconic hotel and available in Mumbai, in front of the Gateway of India. Now go for the second one, brand function. Every brand performs a certain function. Even also, I have given the example here. Tourist hotels in Goa or hill station perform the certain functions like recreation and relaxation. If you want to visit the Goa or any hill station, then you know very well about the what kind of the hotels available are there, and what kind of the facility they are going to provide the customer, such as a recreation, relaxation facility are there, cleanliness are there, locations are there, natural scenery are there, even a hill station where everywhere we have seen the mountains are there. In a Goa, everywhere we have seen the beaches, beautiful beaches are there. That is indicate these are the functions we are going to associate with our brand, and we are going to provide to the customers also. Now look at the here. Here is a picture of the Goa beach here. Now look at the here, the beautiful scenery is there. Then we can see the clean sea is also there. That is called the brand function. Now we are going to see the third one, brand benefit. If you are going to purchase any brand, along with the brand you are getting the certain kind of the tangible and intangible benefits, like a BMW car, Mercedes car. These are the luxurious car. If you are going to purchase in these are the car, then you never will about, you can get the tangible benefit, just like a looks and design, the quality of that brand, and the psychological, that is a status and ownership. You are having such a kind of the car, you are having such a luxurious car. Now look at the picture of the, these are the one of the luxurious car. Now we are going to see about the next one is as a brand association. Every brand must links are connected with the certain association. I would like to give the example. We have seen the lot of the advertisement on the Lux soap. Lux soap association with the Bollywood actresses. Those who are the new actresses in a Bollywood, they have got the chance to associate with the Lux soap. Now, even also, I would like to give the one of the example of the Goa. Goa associate with the beautiful beaches. If you want to visit to Goa, the first and the prime face came in your mind, that's about the beautiful beaches and sceneries there. The Kerala, if you want to visit the Kerala, these are the certain kind of the association. Backwater experiences and the Ayurvedic massage is the quite famous in the Kerala. Then we can say it is a really associate with the brand. Now look at the here look. So now the brand image or reputation in the mind of the customer. And you know very well about the iPhone, the luxurious mobile phone, having that kind of the image and reputation in the market as well as in the mind of the customer. It is a indicate that the costly mobile having the best quality and high quality, we can say that one. Now look at the pictures also, iPhone. Now brand image. Now we are going to see about the brand name in the mind of the customer. We have seen the certain kind of the brand name and the related about the products also. Now look at these are the brand names we have seen the variant times. Look at the first types is corporate name. The Tata Salt, Tata Nano, Tata Hexa, whatever the product Tata launch, Tata want to give the corporate name. The first is the Tata's name, and the remaining are the products name. Then corporate come individual brand name. Now look at the here, Cadbury Dairy Milk Chocolate. The company's name along with the product's name is also there. Now umbrella name, under the one umbrella we have seen the so many products, Amul butter, Amul chocolate, etc. That comes under the umbrella name. Now next type is a founder name. Those who are invented the product, they have given their own name. Colgate, Nestle, Ford. Now we are going to see here one of the example of the umbrella. Umbrella name Amul butter, Amul milk, Amul chocolate, and then lot of the Amul's products we have seen under the picture. Now look at the next brand logo. Logo along with the brand name, it's facilitated to the customer. A special design, a special design with the special cuts, etc. That is called as a brand logo. Now look at the Nike logo, a tick mark, a switch. We can say that one also. Now look at the here images also here. Now look at the Mercedes, the three-pointed star logo is here. Now look at this is the eight one components is a brand features and design. It represent the essential components of the brand. Now the Rolex watches, you know well about the highly costly watches in the world with the special design. Now look at the here the image of the Rolex watches also. Now we are going to see the ninth one is that's a brand packaging. As I mentioned that packing and packaging both are the synonymous, but there is a slightly difference is there. Packing means to protect, to wrapping the product. Packaging means to not only protect or wrapping the product, but also attract the attention of audience provide all the elements, give the all the details ingrained on the packaging also, easy to carry, easy to handle. And even also we can identify easily whether environmental friendly, we can recycle, decompose or not. That is called the brand packaging. Now look at the here the Tide. Now you can see that one, how can you attract the attention with that packaging also. Even also easy to carry, even also easy to use also. With the help of this packing box, we can easily pour the Tide as per our requirement. Then we can say brand packing is here. Now the brand equity, it means the incremental value of brands, which is a comment in the market. It means fixed image in the mind of the customer to create additional value and image in the mind of the customer. I would like to tell you, brand equity means it is the incremental value of the brand. It's over and above of the physical asset of the company. I would like to give the one of the example. Nirma washing powder is a quite famous for the washing detergent powder, and we are using for the cleaning purpose. If tomorrow Nirma want to launch the Nirma biscuit, the best quality of the biscuit, no one like to purchase the Nirma biscuit because the Nirma having that kind of the image. We are using Nirma for the cleaning material, and suddenly tomorrow you can get the Nirma biscuit for the eating. We are hesitate to eat that. That is called the brand equity. Another example for the Dettol, we know very well about the Dettol. Dettol for using for the cleaning purpose, and tomorrow if Dettol want to launch a soft drink and a Dettol juice, no one like to drink because we have that kind of the brand equity in our mind. This is about the brand equity. Now let us, we can go for the recap about the components of the branding one by one. We can see here also branding personality, brand function, brand benefit, brand association, brand image, brand name, brand logo, brand features and design, brand packaging, and brand equity. These are the 10 components of the branding. Thank you very much for your precious listening. Thanks a lot.